Hello, hello, hello. It is Stephanie Deeds, your favorite realtor here at the Deeds Group at RE/MAX, coming at you with your monthly market update. Thought we'd try a little bit something more fun with a little Snapchat filter. What I want to tell you this week is that we have more good news, and it is posted in the comment section below. Our average price has continued to increase. All that money flying around my head shows you Tarrant County has increased their average sales price from 2018-2019 in the month of May to about $10,000, actually $8,000, but from $296 to $304. So we are seeing increased average sales prices. We are seeing a little bit of an increase in inventory, which is also a fantastic thing. We are seeing the days on market also increasing, but only from 9 to 13. I mean, 13 days on the market is still fantastic. Let's think about that. That's less than 2 weeks, okay? We also are seeing the number of closed sales from 2018 to 2019 has increased. It went up about 800 homes. So we are seeing an increase in closed sales. So increase in average sales price, increase in inventory, increase in closed sales. These are all three really good things. And to see the days on market increase is really not a huge concern because it is still less than 2 weeks in the Metroplex, which is fantastic. So, well, that's Tarrant County. In some of the counties, it is a little bit higher, which again is no big deal because they are all less than 30 days, every one of them. So take a look at the post in the comments that shows all of these numbers, and comment here if you have questions. If you want more specific information about your particular area, please don't hesitate to call, text, email us, comment here on social media, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn. We're everywhere, so let us know how we can help. We look forward to talking with you soon. Have a great month of June.